Miss English Journey.
Have you ever walked into a cafe and suddenly forgot all your English? You look at the menu, the barista looks at you, and your brain says, "Good luck." If that ever happened to you, you're not alone.
Oh, yes. Even native speakers sometimes freeze. But today, we're going to fix that. In this episode, you'll learn the real English phrases people use in cafes, not the textbook ones.
And by the end of this podcast, you'll be able to order confidently, ask questions, and sound natural, even if you're shy, nervous, or sleepy.
Grab your coffee, relax, and stay with us, because this episode can change the way you speak English forever.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Journey, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm James. Hello, Rebecca. Hello, listeners. It's great to be with you all again. Rebecca, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little sleepy. I stayed up late editing yesterday's episode.
I can hear it in your voice. That yawn was like a full earthquake.
Stop! Wait, yes, I need a coffee so badly.
Well, perfect, because today's episode is all about cafes. But before we jump in, thank you so much to everyone who listens every week. We are so happy to get in the mic and chat with y'all.
Yes, your support means so much to us. And please, if you enjoy our podcast,
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English.
exactly. We're growing fast, thanks to you. So, James, what is our topic today?
Today, we're talking about something super useful. Cafe conversations in English. Real, practical, daily life English you can use anywhere in the world.
Ooh, this cafe smells amazing. Fresh coffee, warm croissants. I'm in heaven.
Same. And it's quiet. Perfect for learning English.
You know what? Even I get nervous ordering sometimes. I worry I'll say something weird.
We all do. But that's why we're at this cafe today, to practice real-life English.
Okay, let's look at the menu. Too many choices.
Classic cafe menu panic.
No, really. Listen, this is my English learning nightmare. You read the menu, and then the barista asks, "What can I get for you?" And your brain goes completely blank.
Yep, brain.exe stops working.
Exactly. That's why we're helping our listeners today. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, could I please have a medium hot latte?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. My turn. I'm nervous.
Relax, you're great.
Hi. Could I have a small cappuccino with almond milk, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. Do you have pastries?
Yes, we have croissants, muffins, and banana bread.
Ooh. One croissant, please.
Great. That will be $9.80.
Oh, wow. Okay, here's my card.
You ordered perfectly.
Really? I felt like my soul left my body.
No, you sounded great.
Thanks. Ordering in English is scary, even for teachers sometimes.
Totally normal. And listeners, if you feel nervous, that's okay.
Yes, nervous means you're learning. Nervous means you care.
And with practice, it gets easier.
So let's teach some practical English, okay?
Let's do it. Ordering your drink. Common phrases. Can I have a latte, please? I'll take a cappuccino. Could I get an iced coffee? I'd like a black tea, please. Can I get a medium hot chocolate?
The easiest, most universal phrase ever is, can I have? Use it anywhere, anytime. Cafes, restaurants, airports. It's polite, natural, and never sounds rude. Extra tips. Add size. Can I have a small latte? Add temperature. Can I have an iced latte? Add to stay or to go. For here, please. To go, please.
Hi, can I have a medium iced latte to go, please?
Of course. 2. Asking about options. Useful questions. Do you have oat milk? What flavors do you have? Do you have anything sugar-free? Do you have decaf coffee? Do you have pastries today? Do you have something not too sweet?
Asking questions helps you sound confident. And remember, cafes love when customers ask. It shows interest, not weakness.
Extra tips. Use what are my options when you're not sure. Use what do you recommend if you want suggestions. Mini example. Do you have non-dairy milk?
Yes, we have oat, almond, and soy.
Great. Oat milk, please.
3. Customizing your drink. Useful add-ons. With almond milk. Extra hot, please. No sugar. A little bit of sugar. Can you make it less sweet? Can you add caramel? Can you make it strong? Extra notes. In English-speaking cafes, customizing is very normal. Don't worry, baristas are used to it.
Natural combinations. Can I get a cappuccino with oat milk and no sugar? Can I get my latte extra hot? Can you make the matcha latte a bit sweeter? You're the customer, so feel free to ask for what you want, politely. 4. Paying. Useful phrases. How much is it? Card or cash? Can I get the receipt, please? Do you take cards? Can I tap, which is contactless payment? Can I pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay? Extra cultural note. In many places, it's normal for customers to tap their card themselves. In the US, receipts are almost always offered.
Can I pay by card?
Sure, you can tap here.
5. If you didn't understand. Useful phrases. Sorry, could you repeat that? What does that mean? Can you speak more slowly? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again, please?
And don't be shy. People in cafes are used to repeating. You're learning. It's completely normal. Useful strategy. Smile. Use hand gestures. Stay calm. Cafe environments are noisy.
Do you want it for here or to go?
Sorry, could you repeat that a bit slower?
Sure. For here or to go.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Now repeat after us slowly. Imagine you're standing at a real cafe counter. I'll have a small cappuccino, please. Pause. Again. I'll have a small cappuccino, please.
Do you have almond milk? Again, a little smoother. Do you have almond milk?
Can I pay by card? One more time. Can I pay by card?
Could you repeat that, please? Again, could you repeat that, please?
I'd like a croissant. One more time. I'd like a croissant. Now, let's practice some extra real-life versions. Repeat after me, slowly. Can I have this to go, please? Could I get a medium latte? Can you make it less sweet? Do you have anything sugar-free? Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Great! You're doing amazing. Now, let's try saying them a little faster, just like real conversation. I'll have a small cappuccino, please. Do you have almond milk? Can I pay by card? Could you repeat that, please? I'd like a croissant. Nice! Now try these faster versions too. Can I get an iced latte? Is this to go? Do you take cash? Can I see the menu? What do you recommend?
If you followed along, congratulations! This is exactly how you build your speaking confidence. Slow repetition, then natural speed. Oh no, James. They gave me the wrong drink.
What did you get?
This is iced. I ordered hot.
Okay, let's fix it. Use this phrase. Sorry,
I think there's a mistake. I actually ordered a hot cappuccino.
Excuse me. Sorry, I think there's a mistake. I actually ordered a hot cappuccino.
Oh, my apologies. I'll fix it right away.
See? Easy. No drama.
Exactly. Mistakes happen. Be polite and simple.
Wow. This was such a cozy, heartwarming episode. I loved practicing real cafe English with you today. Honestly, it felt like we were all sitting together around a little wooden table, smelling fresh coffee, just talking and learning.
Yeah, same here. And I really hope that all of you listening right now feel just a little more confident than when you pressed play. Even one new phrase learned today is a win.
And remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, making mistakes, laughing at them, and trying again. Every episode, every conversation, every tiny moment of practice, it all counts. It all builds you.
And if you enjoyed today's cozy cafe conversation, don't forget to subscribe. Your support means so much to us. It helps the podcast grow and reach more learners just like you.
And hey, leave a comment and tell us, what is your favorite cafe drink? We truly love reading your messages. It makes us feel like this podcast is a big family learning together.
And if you know someone who's learning English, a friend, a classmate, a colleague, share this episode with them. You might help them learn something new today.
Thank you, truly, for spending this time with us. Thank you for your trust, your energy, your curiosity. You're not just learning English. You're building a better version of yourself, one small step at a time.
We're proud of you.
This is your Miss English journey.
And we can't wait to join you again.
Take care, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.